Welcome to the first session at the FIBEB 60th year celebrations. This session is titled Shaping the Future Through Experience. This session has leaders from different parts of the world with over 75 years of combined experience under their belts. They are all experts in different domains, and today we shall ask them about important issues that affect our companies, how they have viewed and solved some of these challenges, and how are they preparing their businesses for the future. Our first panelist is Daniel Scheibel, Senior Vice President of Content, Burrell Sluice. Dan's experience in the media business is evident in the successful initiatives he has directed as Senior Vice President Content Management for Burrell Sluice. He has also spearheaded efforts that have resulted in significant growth of their copyright compliance program. Dan joined Burrell Sluice following a 27-year career in the newspaper industry. He is member of the Project Management Institute and the Media Council of the Palais Center of Media. In addition, he is the Burrell Sluice representative to the Software and Information Industry Association, the Copyright Society of the USA, the Newspaper Association of America, the NNA, the SNA, the Magazine Publishers of America, and American Business Media. Our second panelist today is Pavel Sanofsky, President, IMM, Institute of Media Monitoring. Pavel graduated from Wroclaw University of Technology, Faculty of Management and Marketing. He got his postgraduate degree in the School of Insurance and Banking. Currently, he is the president of the Institute of Media Monitoring, the president of the Proto, and member of Board of Media Trust Romania. Since 2003, he has been regularly giving lectures about media monitoring at the University of Warsaw and the Warsaw School of Economics. Our third panelist is Arno Steinkoller, Director of Operations and MAP, Ora Mundi Institute, Argus de la Presse. Arno graduated from the Free University of Brussels in Information Sciences and Communication. Specializing in benefits decision, support with communication professionals, he has worked in business development, Director of Media Research Operations, Project Director Online, Project Manager eReputation, Ora Mundi, at Argus de la Presse for 10 years. Our fourth panelist is Christian Heinisch, Managing Director, Nubase. Currently Managing Director for Nubase, Christian has worked with management software systems for 25 years. He spent 10 years working as MD for H&H Zentrum in Göttingen, worked in the United States as General Manager for Microtest, before transferring to Arizona as VP and General Manager for their Network Attached Storage Division. In 2000, Christian returned to Germany to work as CFO for InfoPeople AG, after which he became co-founder for Nubase and has remained as Managing Director for the past 7 years. He now specializes in high-performance press clipping and media monitoring workflow systems for paper, e-paper, online, and social media. Christian loves traveling and exploring different corners of the world. This session is moderated by Aseem Sood, Chief Executive Officer and Director, Impact Research and Measurement India. Aseem is Vice President FIBEB and Director at AMEC. Prior to Impact, Aseem worked with McKinsey & Company as an analyst, where he helped clients in Europe, US, and China to improve their effectiveness in purchasing and supply management operations. He also worked in their BTO practice, that is a special initiative in technologies consulting services. Aseem is a technology enthusiast and loves to apply technology solutions to solve business problems. He spends his free time playing with new electronic gadgets, listening to music, and connecting with old friends.
So please put your hands together to invite all the participants onto the stage to initiate the session.